Meaning of floor show.
Floor show.
Floor show.
Floor show.
Floor show. Floor show typically refers to a live performance that takes place on the floor of a venue, as opposed to on a stage. These types of performances can include dancing, singing, or other types of entertainment. The result of a floor show is often an engaging and interactive experience for the audience, as they are able to get up close and personal with the performers. Additionally, because floor shows take place in more intimate settings, they can create a more relaxed atmosphere and a stronger connection between the performers and their audience.